Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue, and today I'm going to share a fluffy, light tapioca and oat pancake. I've been experimenting trying to do an oat flour pancake, and they were always like really gummy, but this one I realized that I needed to add a little bit of ground almonds and a little bit of tapioca flour to get kind of the right consistency. So I'm going to show you what I did. So in this mixing bowl, I'm going to add just 1/4 cup of ground almonds. And I've got some oat flour that I whisked up in my little NutriBullet here. And that is 70 grams or 3/4 cup. Sorry, 2/3 cup. I'll pop notes above as well. So that was just gluten-free porridge oats that I just ground up. And this is the white tapioca starch or flour. And that is 40 grams or 1/4 cup. Pinch of salt. And in here I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I like using 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and bicarb soda. It just gives the right consistency, which we love, and you don't get that kind of like stick in your throat baking powder feel. But if you only got baking powder, just use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm just whisking those up just to combine all the ingredients. And then I've got just 1 whole egg, and if you're vegan you could swap that out for a flax egg. And in here I've got 1/2 cup of oat milk plus 1 tablespoon. And I'm just going to whisk all that together with this wooden spoon. And the trick with pancakes is you don't want to overmix it. So a few lumps in it's fine. It actually gives you fluffier pancakes. And what I found when I've made this, sometimes if the mixture sits too long, some of the oats create a thicker batter. So just add another dash of milk. So I've got my milk on standby in case that happens again. And that's it. And then I use about 1/4 cup per pancake. So I'm going to go behind me and I'm going to cook on the gas stove top today. So it's always good to do a chef test. So I do just under 1/4 cup and I'll pop it into my pan. This mixture makes about 8 to 10, medium or kind of small to medium. I find with this style of pancake, you don't need them too big because they're quite filling. And then they keep in the fridge for about 3 to 4 days. And you can also freeze them. So make sure you have a little spatula on standby. So wait till it's bubbly and then we flip it over. What I like to do, a little handy hint to keep them soft, is grab a plate and then put a glass or metal bowl upside down as your lid. So my heat needs turning up slightly. I prefer cooking on the gas than my induction portable stove. I often use my induction stove for filming, but today I didn't want to get it out because I wanted to do it on the gas. So wait till the bubbles appear, then flip them over. I forgot to mention I've greased the base of my fry pan with a little bit of veggie oil. So it's lovely and golden and it's fluffing up. And I forgot to mention that this recipe is also gluten-free because I've done gluten-free oats. It's ready to come off. I'll pop it on my pan with my lid on top and just keep it on the side as I go. So this time I'll go in and I'll do a few, 2 at a time. So my gluten-free oat flour tapioca pancakes are all made, and check out that stack. That's perfect for 2 of us. If you've got a family, maybe double the recipe. If you're just making them for yourself, you can have a few and then pop them in the fridge and they stay fresh for about 2 or 3 days, and you can just like freshen them up in the toaster, or you can even freeze them and pop them out the night before you want to have them for breakfast. We're going to serve them with some chopped strawberries and blueberries, a little bit of maple syrup, and that's it. So if you've enjoyed my video today, pop a comment below. Please give it a go if you're looking for a healthier pancake recipe that doesn't have any kind of like wheat in it. If you're celiac and you can eat oats that are gluten-free, please give this recipe a go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.